Hi, I'm Sharon Ford. I look after the Cysylltiadau District region. Benefits of coming today was it's a great event just to promote everything we can do locally to support each other. All the events we can do to raise funding when we can, just to get awareness in the community really. And it's a great opportunity to meet new people. I just spoke to somebody there who'd been newly diagnosed, and it's just reassuring that we're all in this together and we'll all get through together.
I'm Georgie. I work alongside Sarah for the MS team in an Iron. We're really enjoying the day and being able to interact with patients and give them information that they may not have had access to previously. So we think these days are really beneficial, and hopefully everyone's had a lovely informative day.
Hi, I'm Becky. I also work as an MS nurse in an Iron Trust. This day has been really beneficial for everybody to be more informed about all the supporting services and how the MS Society is helping. I think it's been a really fun, well attended and great day so far.
Hello, my name is Michelle. I work for an Arbennig Health Board. I work for the Help Me Quit service. I'm here today to encourage people who may be smokers to quit smoking in the view to help with their medication and their long-term health. It's great to work with partnership organisations, learning a little bit about each other, what we can do and how we can keep in touch with each other and support people with their health.
What a brilliant day. Really good to meet people, to catch up with people we haven't seen for a long time. The information's been really good, brings you all up to date and know that you're part of the community.